our counters for today is about thin and long things. So these are the counters that we use for this number. Okay, we have for our ippon, nihon, sambon, yombon, gohon, roppon, nanahon, happon, kyuhon, juppon, or we have jippon, nambon. You cannot do it again in just one set on this one. You need a lot of practice in order for this one to be used. Okay, so let's have this one. We have our kushi. So how we'll make that in our question? For example, how many coms are there? Okay, so ito become our kushi ga Kushiga, then our interrogative for the question of slander things. So we have our nambon arimasu ka? Kushiga nambon. So this one changed only a little bit and pronunciation because it's B. Nambon arimasu ka? Okay. Ja, kotae, Catherine-san. Catherine-san.
Kushi ga gohon arimasu.
Gohon?
Oh, gomenasai. Kushi ga roppon.
Okay, roppon. Okay. So we have 6. Okay. We have roppon. Okay, roppon arimasu. Then drop it here. Okay. Wakarimasu ka?
Wakarimasen.
Okay, good. Okay, for our next item, we have rura, okay, ruler. So how to make this one in a question? Ja, Kairin-chan kara Pamela-san e? Okay, Kairin, imasu ka? Okay, so let's have a different person. Jackie-san. Jacqueline-san, imasu ka? Jacqueline, okay, make it a question now.
Rura ga nambon arimasu ka?
Hi, okay, Moichido. Rura ga?
Rura ga nambon arimasu ka?
Hi, okay, answered by Catherine. Catherine, okay.
Rura ga 23本あります。
Okay, so we have 20, okay, 23. 23本あります。はい、tadashi, okay. 23 rulers, okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. はい、よくできました。じゃあ、パメラさんいますか？
はい、います。
黄色ルーラーが何本ありますか？ごめんね。黄色いルーラーが何本ありますか？
黄色いルーラーが2本あります。
2本あります。はい、黄色いルーラーが何本ありますか？ So two rulers, we have 2本あります。2本あります。Okay? Like you're saying here, two rulers. 黄色いルーラーが何本ありますか？黄色いルーラーが2本あります。はい、よくできました。じゃあ、カセリンさん、いますか？
はい、います、先生。
灰色のルーラーが何本ありますか？
灰色のルーラーも2本あります。
2本、okay, 2. Okay, hi, we have 2. This one, 1 and 2. 1番、2番, okay. 1, okay, we 1つ2. So we have 1本 and 2本. Hi. So we have 灰色 is green. 灰色 no. Then we have same thing. ルーラーもthen 2本あります。はい、よくできました。じゃあ、かいりんちゃんいますか？
はい、います。
じゃあ、緑のルーラーが何本ありますか？
緑のルーラーが3本あります。
Okay, はい、we have our 3本あります。3本あります。There are 3 rulers. So we have 1本、2本、3本。はい、よくできました。じゃあ、次は、ジャッキーさん、青いルーラーが何本ありますか？
青いルーラーが2本あります。
Okay, let's count. How many blue? Aoi is blue. Count again the blue rulers.
1本2本。
Okay. Count all the blue.
Any light and dark.
Okay. So we have this. Okay. So how many?
Gohon.
So aoi rura ga
青いルーラーが5本あります。
はい、we have our 5本あります。Okay, 5本あります。わかりますか？
はい、わかります。
Okay, so that's how are we going to answer it. Okay. Okay. じゃあ、OK。
バナナが7本あります。
はい、正しくは our 7本あります。はい、よくできました。Okay. Next one, let's haveね、じゃあ、キャサリンさん、これは何ですか？
それは傘です。
じゃあ、傘を、okay、何本買いますか？傘
を2本買います。
Okay, hi. So become here our particle 2 point. So be careful with this one. So you are not saying Japan here. You are not buying the Japan, okay? But it becomes a counter for long things here. Okay. Now for our drinks, they have also their own counters, okay? So we have our ippai and so on and so on, okay? So like for this one, this is our unicorn, okay? Unicorn drinks, okay? So we can say for this one, our drink. So we have our nomimono, okay? Nomimono. So how you will make this one in a question? Ja, Kairin-chan kara Pamera-san nomimono ga okay, Kairin, how you make that in a question?
飲み物が何杯ありますか？
はい、よくできました。Okay. Catherine?
飲み物が3杯あります。
Okay, we have our 3杯。はい。3杯あります。Okay. So there are 3 drinks. Okay. 3 drinks. 飲み物が3杯あります。3 drinks. Wakarimasu ka?
Wakarimasen, sensei.
Now, in this case, we're saying here now that how many drinks I'm going to buy here. Nomimono wo nanbai kaimasu ka? Then, sabi naman ni Pamela, oh, please buy 8 drinks. Okay, this number of drinks, so 9 drinks pala. So how to say that, Pamela?
Nomimono mo kyuhai kaimasu.
Okay, so we have our kyuhai, kyupai, 9, and then kyuhai, kyuhai kaimasu. But you should say please buy, so it will be changed kaimasu to our become our katte kudasai. Katte kudasai, it changes now for making that please buy. So we are going to study that how to make the verb from mass form to atte kudasai. So we will talk about that in our future lessons, okay? So we have our te kudasai, okay? So the kaimasu, once you have katte kudasai, it means please buy. Okay, one more. Please buy 8 drinks, okay? Go ahead now, Pamela.
Nomimono wo kyuhai katte kudasai.
Hai, yoko dekimashita. Ocha wo 2杯飲みます. I will drink 2 tea. But it will change. Let's change now 飲みます to kudasai. So it will become now 飲んで kudasai. Okay? And we will talk about that in our future lessons. How it become our mass form to ende kudasai and te kudasai. So we're saying here now, for this time, let's remember nonde kudasai, please drink. Katte kudasai, please buy. Okay? Ocha wo 2杯 nonde kudasai. Please drink 2 tea. Okay. Now, we are using now for our small animals is our piki, hiki, okay, sambiki, yonhiki, and so on. So how about this one? We'll make it a question. How many cats are there? Let's have Catherine. How you make that in a question?
Neko ga nambiki imasu ka?
Very good, because it's living thing now. Nambiki imasu ka? Okay. Nambiki imasu ka? How about let's make it now? Let's have a new verb. Katteimasu. Okay. Katteimasu, it means petting or raising. So it means to take care. How many cats are you taking care of? So this will be our verb. So how we'll make that in a question now? Neko ga nambiki katteimasu ka? Katteimasu ka? How many cats are you taking care of? Okay, go ahead now, Catherine.
Neko wo nambiki kateimasu ka?
Okay, moichido.
Neko wo
I have a wrong with my question. Neko wo, okay, arigato. Neko wo nambiki katteimasu ka? So it will become?
Neko wo go hiki kateimasu.
Okay, it will become go hiki kateimasu. Ja, Catherine kara Pamela-san, dozo.
Pamela-san, neko wo nambiki kateimasu ka?
Neko wo go hiki katteimasu.
Hai, yoko dekimashita. Ja, let's have Pamela-san kara Kairin-chan.
Kairin-chan, neko wo nanbiki katteimasu ka?
Neko wo go hiki kateimasu.
Hai, yoko dekimashita. Let's change now. How about let's have this one. Ask her, how many cats are you taking care of? But different picture now. Okay, Kairin-chan kara, Kairin-chan kara, Catherine-san e. Neko wo?
Neko wo nanbiki kateimasu ka?
Okay, hi.
Neko wo 9 hiki kateimasu.
Okay, how many? So we have 9 hiki. So let's count how many cats. Okay, we have 1匹、2匹、3匹、4匹、5匹、6匹、7匹、8匹。Okay, okay. 8匹の and we have 9匹。はい、横できました。How about make it now in a dog? Okay. じゃあ、カテリンさんからパメラさんへ。
Pamela-san, inu wo nanbiki kateimasu ka?
Dog sensei.
はい、犬。
犬を8匹飼っています。
Okay. So we have 1匹、2匹、3匹、4匹、5匹、6匹、7匹、and we have 8匹。Okay, so we prompt 犬を8匹を飼っています。Now we have for our goldfish, we have our kingyo. Okay. じゃあ、パメラさんからカイリンちゃんへ。
カイリンちゃん、金魚を何匹飼っていますか？
金魚を9匹飼っています。
Okay, もう一度、パメラ。
金魚を何匹飼っていますか？
Karin, answer.
Kinyo wo kyuki kate mas.
Okay. Hai, yoko dekimashita. Okay. So we are changing here now. Kingyo wa, we have Q hiki. Okay. Change the nambiki to Q hiki. Q hiki. Okay. Q hiki. Ito, hai, yoko dekimashita. Next mate. So we have our tambo. So we have our tambo is for our dragonfly. Tambo, a tombo, because it will change the sound. Tombo ga, then we have our question, nambiki. Nambiki imasu ka? Okay. Ja, Catherine-san.
Tombo ga 8匹います。
Okay, はい、become 8匹います。はい、横できました。How about let's have this one? You only want to know the color for this particular. じゃあ、Catherine さんからパメラさんへ。
パメラさん、赤いトンボは何匹いますか？
赤いトンボが2匹います。
Okay, 2匹います。じゃあ、how about this one? Catherine, you want to know this color?
パメラさん、黄色い tombo ga nambiki imasu ka?
Kiiroi tombo ga nihiki imasu.
Okay, it will be the same thing with red.
Ay, nagkamali na naman ako, Sensei.
Sabi ko na nga, niloloko lang. Okay, hi, Dom. Dozo.
Kiro tombo mo nihiki imasu.
Okay. Ni hiki. Okay. Ni hiki. It's the same thing. Moichido.
Kiiro tombo mo nihiki imasu.
Ay,